All right, everybody ready? Three, 2, 1.
Eclipse Airsoft.
5, 4, 3, 2. Ah. All right, Reed's hit. Reed's hit.
Just out, see if we can get Matt.
Sam's hit. Chenzo's hit. Sam's back in. Chenzo's back in. Reed's back in.
This is extremely boring.
You're just not moving.
Why? I have a perfect shot at this bomb.
Okay, and then it shouldn't be boring. They got to get to the bomb sometime. Just around 7 minutes. Just around 7. Matt's hit. Chenzo didn't defuse the other bomb.
Kill Vincenzo, he's sitting right in front of you. Hey! Reed, there's another bomb. Where? Over here by me. I see it. Get Sam, he's right there. Oh, shit.
Vincenzo's hit. Vincenzo is hit. Got like a close quarters. Bat. Sam is hit.
Where's the other bomb? Just move up.
Bomb is defused.
Where's the other bomb?
Okay, so we got Silas right here. Got Reed. Reed moving up like a bit. And Chenzo over there. Chenzo's hit! Chenzo is hit! Oh! Ow! Okay, I just got shot. Thanks, Matt. At least you got me in the shirt, so it didn't hurt. Oh, damn, oh, come on.
Go. Sam, you can move, he's in. I got both pins. Guy's gun doesn't fucking feed.
Doesn't?
No, the mag's fucky. It's fucky dumpty. I got Reed.
Reed's hit! Not like a bouse over here.
Oh shit, so you'll help Sam.
Yeah. Chenzo's hit! Chenzo's hit! Matt moving up like a tank. Ooh.
Hey Sam, let's go out there. Move up right now. I got eyes, I got eyes. We fell. They're far left. Get over there, they're far left.
Sam is hit! Sam is hit!
Josh, move up to the bottom, to the room. There you go. I see him, I see him. Watch out for Matt.
Sam is back in, guys. Sam is back.
On the rock. Hey. He's hit, he's hit. Retard. Hit, hit. Yeah, fuck. Josh, stay alive.
Alright, so we got about 50 seconds left. Okay. Looks like you guys are good.
I just reload and and go, Justin. Don't even call yourself out, just go reload. That's fucking hard.
That's game! That's game!
Hey! Yeah. Okay, we're ready.
I'm hiding behind you, Reed.
Sounds good. Four left, four left. Can't see him.
Let me know if they're shooting at us. Because I'm kind of out in the open.
Someone's moving right. All right, we'll just get back. Film from this side.
I like it in the sniper barrel.
You're mine, bitch. Careful, get down, get down. All right, you're good. Nope, easy. I'm gonna get him next time he pops his fucking head.
Sorry.
Yeah, careful. Alright, get it. Alright, we're gonna move up.
To where?
The metal post. Ready?
Metal bunker?
Yeah.
Match out.
What?
Match out.
Alright. Wait for me to go first. Get down, get down. Ready?
Yeah.
Get down, get down. Let's talk to Rossi. This is mine. I got his left flank. This isn't timed, is it? Is this timed? Oh, you're dead. I'll get the left side. Shit.
Hey, sir.
Kidding me?
Why are you here?
I was telling you down over there. Please don't let them know you're here. I think they might know. Yo, Silas is picking up right there. And
Protect me.
yeah. As long as your head's down, you're right. Silas
Would
is
you
right
like a
up
drink,
on the top of the bunker.
Yeah. No, I can't. My face mask is in the way.
He's right at the top of the bunker.
The funny thing.
On which side?
Right side.
Oh, I see. What me? Why are they outside the bunker? Sam,
What?
you're our pickup guy. That was a hit.
Guys, call your hits! Don't mean to sound like an asshole, but I mean, gotta call them.
Who's that?
Shut up, Nico, you're the king of cheating. Like, seriously.
Fuck. Damn it.
I'm getting some sweet action shots.
Oh, fuck.
Got him.
Good hit, Reed. Good hit.
Good hit.
All right, ready?
Where are we going?
Wait, you want to push up left?
Yeah, I'll push up left. Just
Oh shit! Get down! Get down!
get down. Oh, hit!
Sam's hit.
Sam is it.
Hey, Matt.
Hey,
This river.
there's a lot of frogs in here.
Lay my gun down.
Silas. It's Silas.
Clip Airsoft.
Woo! Shut up, Nico.
You
Shoot.
suck.
He's shot in the hand.
Ooh.
Sam, where'd you get shot?
Right in the crotch.
Shot in the dick.
Shot in the dick. But his dick's still standing. Oh, fuck you, Sam. Good job, Sam. We're
I
both.
protected Justin. I shoved him down, and just as he goes down, he gets shot right where he was, right in the crowd. I was like, no, because he was being shoved to the ground.
Oh, did you freeze your gun? Good idea.
Yeah.
I got Reed on the move right there. That's pretty sexual. I'm gonna go close quarters recording. Oh shit. Reed's it. Justin's still alive. He flanked you, Reed.
You can't leave the bunker. Bullshit.
Watch out, Reed. Oh god. Oh god.
They're suppressing Justin at the metal bunker. It's me, Silas. Don't kill me. Good flank, Silas. I said good flank, not go flank, but okay.
Again.
Good.